up, YouTube? Boosting Bikes with the Barn Built crew. We're back with another video. I know it's been long awaited, but today we are going to finally do a car update. I'm going to show you guys another recent update we've had at the compound. Definitely going to make for some fun content. If you've been to the Barn Built compound, you know the biggest problem was getting in here. The beginning of it was quite hard to get a race car that was pretty low down to the barn. So over the past month, we got some very big news for the beginning part of the driveway. I'm gonna show you on the big 50 what exactly I'm talking about. Look at this, guys. Fresh pavement. Beautiful. All right, let's go for a cruise. Then we're gonna get back to work because I've got to show you around the new and improved SRT 4, and I actually have to fix a car that I'm gonna be flipping. So yeah, let's get to it. Most of you guys know on the page, this car has been out and about very frequently. I'm about to go over everything we fixed on that bad boy. And then we got the Evo, as always, just been sitting there. And we got some parts coming for that today too, guys. I'm about to hop in and show you guys around it. Yeah, it's been about an hour since I started the video today, and I've actually had to work on this car that I'm fixing up to sell. Yeah, I put a transmission in it this morning, no big deal. Pretty easy job. But back over to the Neon, let me show you guys some stuff here. I'm not sure the last time this car was on YouTube, to be honest, or even on this channel. I haven't really ever done a proper video on this thing, but since it was down for about a year and a half due to a bunch of little issues I fixed, the big one being this half engine harness for the engine bay here. I had to replace this. It was get this thing a new battery. Finally, I fixed up the V-band clamp setup that I had going on there. I actually sent these injectors back to Injector Dynamics CID 1000s. So I sent them back, and I had one injector that was basically not working at all. What else did I have go wrong with this thing? The occasional, I had to do new cam and crank sensors, new TPS sensor that's right there, and that's really it. I was just really not too motivated to fix the thing because it still needs a tune, and it's very hard to find people to tune this car. As you guys can see, we almost got 800 miles on it. Nothing crazy in here, guys, just AEM gauges. This is about a couple hours later. As you can see, I shaved actually. And we're back to the Neon update. Precision 5858 journal bearing turbo with the teal 38mm wastegate out the cowl there. Nice high output ignition setup. This is DCR. We got the custom 4-inch intake. Then we got the barn fab fuel system. So we got the -6 feed, -6 return, air motive fuel pressure regulator with the Boomba rail, and like I already said, we have a fresh set of ID 1000s in there. Deleted the AC since the last time anyone's seen this, so can't really see, but no AC down there. Nice delete kit we got, and that's really about it, guys. So plans for this thing are really just to keep driving it. I'm gonna try to bring it to H2O. I know you guys, if you've been watching the channel videos, we've gone to H2O the last 2 years in the Evo. This year, trying to bring this, that would be pretty cool. We actually had some parts for the Evo coming today. Take a look at these brakes. You gotta love a nice quality set of brakes. Powder stop, not sponsored or anything. I just love the quality of these. I've had a set on the Evo that lasted 4 years. Take a look at the size of these rotors. I'm gonna have to get a set for the Neon, but whew, can't wait to throw these on. And the keys. Cold start for you guys. many car vlogs. I've been talking about it for a while, but I'm gonna get back on the YouTube grind. So drop a like if you've been following this car's journey over the years. Another little bit we got in here is this first short throw that really helps shifting, because the OEM shifters are just very long between gears. So this Hurst has helped a lot. That's a new add-on most people haven't seen in this car. Best for you guys. Things running very good. 18 psi, holding strong right now. With any other build, it's never done. This car is far from done. I'm gonna be doing a bunch of other things. And lastly, since this is an update vlog, I might as well show you guys the WRX that you haven't seen in a while. As everyone on the channel knows, this actually isn't the original barn built pumpkin. This is the second one because someone crashed into the old one, but the second one has been living. We wrapped it. I'm gonna include a video of us wrapping it right after this because I failed to film that too, but I filmed a little bit, so enjoy the couple clips of us wrapping this thing. And good news is we have a new set of coilovers to lower this thing finally, and those will be in before H2O, so I'm going to be making a video probably of that install. Started doing a little body work to the couple of the spots that were pretty bad. Obviously this thing's got 200K, so it wasn't perfect. Little Bondo job, as you can see there, guys. We ain't no body, we're not body guys, but I've done a little body work, so just showing you guys. We did put a little bit of effort into making this thing just look a little bit better. Bunch of little dings, little rust spot we fixed. First thing we're going to be wrapping is the hood, but first let me show you the big roll of Canyon Copper 3M vinyl we got over here. Woo! Crispy. I actually wrapped the car since we did the WRX last, guys, so it's a big old roll of vinyl wrap. And soon enough, by the end of this video, this car is going to be orange. Obviously for you guys, this is going to be one video, but for us, it's probably going to end up being about a week, 2 weeks. Here we go, guys. You guys can see we laid down a pretty good hood, guys. Pretty stoked on how that came out. We are actually wrapping up edging the hood scoop, and then we're going to be putting the black hood scoop back on it. And other than that, everything is edged up and laid down. It's looking pretty good. 9 panels to go. We're not going to be doing any more tonight. We're actually waiting for a fender roller to come in so we could roll these fenders and wrap that next. We still got to sand down a couple of our Bondo spots. We just wanted to get that wrapped tonight. But yeah, we are gonna be wrapping that up tonight, cleaning up the shop, and starting up fresh tomorrow. So I'm gonna catch you guys in about a day or two next time we start working on the WRX. So I will see you guys in the future. I don't even know what this is, huh? Everyone, all the Subi guys know what this is. What's up, Barn Build crew? Back again with another video, or back again continuing our series, final wrapping our 2004 Subaru WRX. We filmed the first day when we got the hood and stuff done, but since then we actually did do a couple panels not filming. Obviously you guys know we don't film all the time just because we're busy working. But so we got the front clip done. Bumper is already upstairs, so that's already wrapped. We just gotta put that on. This fender, and we got this door done. So today we are taking on the big panel, and we're about to do this rear quarter including this door, to save some wraps. So we should have tried to do this door with it, but we kind of messed up there and just wrapped it by itself. But that one actually came out pretty good. You can see the handle's not too bad. But for DIYing it, it's really coming out pretty good, guys. This V2 orange WRX is gonna be a lot nicer than the last one.
Is that past the silver?
Yeah.
That's past it?
Yep. What are you at?
10 feet.
10 feet?
Yeah, 10 feet right to the end of that thing. Sorry,
That's perfect, because you got like a foot over here, extra foot.
Okay, that's at like 9, so...
Yeah, so right here is exact.
Oh, okay, so 10 feet's a foot extra.
Okay. So, yeah, we're about to cut a nice big 10-foot piece here and hopefully finish up this whole car in only 2 more pieces of vinyl. So it's an hour since I last talked to you guys. Whole side is wrapped. We got this whole upper part of the quarter, finishing up the bottom part, and we did this door. So this side is officially gonna be done. Laying down wrap is honestly pretty fun, I gotta say. It's definitely not easy at all, but we're actually doing the easiest panels. You know, the hardest panels of the whole job are the bumpers, and we do not do those ourselves. The DIY can only go so far, and then it starts looking bad. So we usually send our bumpers off to get done by one of our buddies, Rare Wraps, just because they come out a lot better than us doing it. And we stick to the flat panels because the flat panels are a lot easier to wrap and to save us some money. So the car is looking awesome. Well guys, as you can see, we have finally finished wrapping this thing. I know we did another poor job of filming this whole process, but basically it's just been me and Mike. And since I started filming this video, it's been exactly 2 weeks. So yeah, we ended up getting the car done in 2 weeks. Pretty excited about that. As you can see, it looks pretty good. We just have to wait to get this bumper redone. We're gonna be redoing this bumper. Everything's done. We got the black roof, black scoop, everything else wrapped. And we got the barn door pumpkin back.